Hi guys, hope everyone is doing really well. This week we are making a low carb egg drop soup recipe. Absolutely delicious and perfect for the cold weather. So if that sounds like something you like, please do watch this video till the end. Just want to mention that I do publish new videos every single week, keto recipes, low carb recipes, and also self-care videos, so be sure to subscribe. So to get started, you're going to need whatever kind of vegetables you would like to put in your soup. Personally, I really like spring onions, so I'm going to be using those. If you can't find them, you can replace them with regular onions as well. That should work absolutely fine. It's a pretty versatile recipe, as I'm sure you can imagine, so you can add whatever you like. I'm also going to be adding in some cabbage. Again, these are just these are vegetables that I like, but these are also the ones that were just available to me. So that's what I'm going to be using. Following this, we're going to add in some mushrooms. These mushrooms were a little they've seen better days, but it's okay, we can get away with them. And then I'm also going to be adding in bell peppers. I have red bell peppers pretty readily available to me, so I'm going to be using those, but you can add in green bell peppers as well, yellow. I mean, bell peppers just in general just lend themselves really nicely to a soup recipe like this. So let's just transfer all of our vegetables into a bowl and let's get started on that thickening agent, which of course is xantham gum. So I've linked where I found xantham gum online, but you should be able to find it in like a health food store or what have you. Please, must apologize for the mess as well. It's just that the water splattered everywhere. Anyway, moving on. Adding in some vinegar. This is going to be our flavoring. I just like to have all my flavorings in another bowl separate just so that they're ready. I also added some sriracha and soy sauce. Again, you can flavor it however you like, but these are just the ones that I'm kind of used to and they go really well together. In a pot, we're just pouring in some boiling water, and to that we're going to add all of our vegetables. You can also add whatever meat you would like to have with this. It's pretty common to have like chicken in this kind of a soup. So to that, I'm just going to add some bone broth. Now, I tend to kind of go between using pre-bought bone broth, which will also be linked in the description, and I also sometimes make my own. And I'm just adding in some flavorings, ground ginger, garlic salt, and then also all of the sauces that we combined. And you're just gonna let this boil until the vegetables cook all the way through. So we're just gonna let that boil, and then we're gonna add our xanthan gum mixture and then continue to stir this. So initially the xanthan gum will like form little pockets, but then eventually it'll all go smooth, and once it does, just literally drop the egg into this egg drop soup recipe and then just stir it. So what happens if you've never had an egg drop soup, essentially what happens is that the soup is so thick that when you drop the egg in, it forms these ribbons, and it is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys liked that video. Leave me a comment, share it, and do subscribe to my channel. And of course, as always, enjoy, and I will speak to you guys again next week. Bye.